Hi everyone there, welcome back to my channel. Within this video, we're gonna explore one of the hottest topics nowadays, as the title of this video suggests. All you need to do, just stay tuned and pay attention to what I'm about to share with you in this video. But as normal guys, before proceeding, consider subscribing to this channel. If you're not yet my subscriber, smash the like button to give it a thumbs up. We're proud of your support guys. Now let's dive in guys. Okay, the topic of AI replacing human workers, including programmers, has been a hot topic for many years now. With advancements in AI technology, it is not surprising to hear questions about the future of work and the potential for AI to automate tasks traditionally performed by humans. But will AI replace programmers? Let's dive in deeper into this issue, guys. The first and foremost, it is important to understand that AI is not designed to replace human workers, but rather to assist them. You have to know that AI systems are designed to automate repetitive tasks and they help make job easier, freeing up time for humans to focus on more complex and creative tasks. This is especially true in the case of programmers, who spend a significant amount of time writing code, testing and debugging software, and performing other routine tasks. However, AI is not capable of writing code from scratch. While AI systems can assist with code completion and suggest optimizations, they cannot replace the human creativity and the problem-solving skills that are necessary for writing good code. In this sense, AI is not a substitute for the skills of a programmer, but rather a tool that can make their job easier and more efficient. Moreover, the nature of programming is highly creative, and it is difficult to automate tasks that require creative problem solving. The skills that programmers possess, such as creativity, critical thinking, and the ability to communicate ideas and solve complex problems, are not easily replicated by AI. This means that programmers will continue to play a vital role in the software development process for the foreseeable future. Also, while AI can certainly assist programmers in their daily tasks, it is unlikely that AI will replace programmers entirely. The creative and problem-solving skills that programmers bring to the table are crucial for the development of software, and it is unlikely that AI will be able to fully replicate these skills anytime soon. Instead, AI is more likely to be a valuable tool for programmers, helping them to automate routine tasks and freeing up the time for more creative and complex tasks. It is important to note that AI can help programmers be more productive, but it cannot replace the human touch that is necessary for software development. Example: an AI system can assist with code completion, but it cannot understand the context and the goals of the software being developed, which is necessary for writing good code. The same goes for debugging and testing software. AI systems can assist with this process, but they cannot replace the human intuition and understanding that is necessary for finding and fixing bugs. Moreover, as technology advances, new programming languages and technologies will continue to emerge, and programmers will be the ones who must learn and adapt to these changes. This means that programming will continue to be a dynamic and ever-evolving field, and the role of programmers will be just as important as is today. In addition, the field of programming is more than just writing code. I think all you know that. Programmers must also have a deep understanding of the software development process, including project management, design, testing, and deployment. These skills cannot be replaced by AI, and they will continue to be in high demand. Furthermore, the rise of AI has created new job opportunities for programmers. AI systems need to be trained, tested, and maintained, which requires a whole new set of skills and knowledge. This means that there will be a new jobs in the field of AI for programmers who are willing to learn and adapt. Finally, it is important to consider the ethical and the social implications of AI in the workplace. As AI systems become more advanced, it is important for programmers to consider the impact that these systems will have on society and the economy. For example, it is important to consider how AI systems will impact employment and job security, as well as issues related to privacy, security, and data ownership. Programmers will play a crucial role in developing AI systems that are ethical, secure, and responsible, and their skills and expertise will continue to be in high demand. Now, I want you to take this note. The role of programmers in the software development process will not be replaced by AI anytime soon. Programmers will continue to play a crucial role in writing code, testing and debugging software, and adapting to new technologies and trends. AI continues to be a valuable tool for programmers, but it cannot replace the human touch that is necessary for software development. As AI continues to advance, new job opportunities will emerge in the field of AI, and the programmers will play a crucial role in developing AI systems that are ethical and responsible. So, let me conclude to that topic. Let me make a conclusion to that topic. AI will not replace programmers. You have to note and know that, but will continue to play an important role in the software development process. While AI will help make programming job easier, it will not replace the human creativity and the problem-solving skills that are necessary for writing good code. So, the future of programming jobs looks bright and secure, with AI serving as a valuable tool rather than a replacement. Hope this talk will add some value to you. If so, then subscribe to this channel and give it a like. Thanks you, and let me see you in the next video.